Hey friends! We are finalizing all our packing for our departure, which is coming up very, very soon. And guys, I may have too much for my bag. It's a crisis. Oh my God, it's a crisis. Let me show you what I have. All right, friends, this is what we have. Apologize for the mess. I have two dresses here, a navy blue, which is my favorite color in the whole world, a green small dotted polka dot dress. It's a wrap dress. It's linen. I have a short set linen, very beautiful. I thought this would be really good for where we're going, Southeast Asia. The colors and pattern. It's a short set, silk short set bathing suit. I have a cover shirt to put over, like if you're at the pool or something. I have 6 interchangeable camis right here. A pair of bum sweatpants that I love. I can't go without. Wear those a lot just around the house. A pair of beach pants back here. Another pair of beach pants, trousers. A white eyelet short set right there. It's really, really beautiful. I have a cat. He's not allowed to come. And I have, what else? I have 2 more short sets here. 3 pairs of shoes. 1 is a heel, and I have on my Hoka sneakers. I hope all this stuff fits. Send prayers.